Hello guys, I am Incubator Tech Guy and today I will be unboxing and reviewing Razer BASILIsk V3. The box contains a card from Razer, some stickers, and user manual and warranty pamphlet. And the mouse which comes in this cardboard box. Also, it comes with a cap and a USB and an adjustable cable tie, which is pretty helpful. The mouse first turns on with purple RGB and quickly changes to wave RGB, which is quite interesting. The one thing I immediately noticed was the rough texture on the plastic of the mouse and also the rubber pads on the right and left side of the mouse. At first, because of this texture, my hand got irritated and itchy, but after a few hours the itchiness stopped and the irritation went away because I got used to the texture of the mouse. The mouse weighs 101 grams, which is pretty light. The mouse feels great in my hand as it is an ergonomic mouse and it is quite a large mouse in its category, and its dimensions are 130mm in length, 75mm in width, 42.5mm in height. So this mouse feels comfortable for people who have large hands like me. This mouse uses Razer second generation optical switches, which means they will last a very long time without any issues. So you won't get the double clicking issue like its competitor Logitech G502 Hero. This mouse uses Razer Focus Plus sensor, which goes up to 26,000 dpi, which is stupidly high. And it also has 1000 Hz polling rate. This mouse has 100% PTFE feed, which makes it glide smoothly on any surface. This mouse uses a 1.8 meter SpeedFlex cable. This cable makes me feel like I am using a wireless mouse, as the cable feels like it's not there at all most of the time, if you give the cable enough slack. The way in which the scroll wheel works is one of the most unique things about this mouse. They like to call this the Razer Hyper Scroll Tilt Wheel. This scroll wheel has 3 modes. They are tactile, free spin and smart reel. In tactile mode, the scroll wheel works like how it works on any other mouse. In free spin, the mouse's scroll wheel spins without resistance for a long time, like how it is shown in the video. At last, there is Smart Reel, which you can select in the Razer software. In this mode, when you scroll slowly, the mouse stays in tactile mode. But when you flick the scroll wheel, it changes to free spin, and when the scroll wheel stops, it returns back to tactile mode, as shown in the video. This feature is only possible because the mouse uses an electronically controlled scroll wheel. This feature makes the mouse feel smarter. Now let's do the sound test. The mouse sounds great in my opinion, but I don't know how the mouse sounds to you on the device you are watching this video on. Now let's see the basic RGB effects on this mouse. As it is a Razer product, this mouse has outstanding RGB when being compared to any mouse in this price range, and also when being compared to mouses in a higher price range. The RGB looks even better in complete darkness. In conclusion, the mouse is definitely worth buying in 2024, and even in the upcoming years also if the price keeps on dropping. When this video was uploaded, the price is currently at 3,699 rupees in India or $49 in USA. I would recommend this mouse for people who do a lot of gaming and also productivity work, because there is no other mouse which does it better than this mouse. This mouse is basically a Logitech G502 Hero with none of its downsides, except you can't turn this mouse's scroll wheel into a jet engine. So, if you found this mouse review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to turn on notifications, and see you again in the next video.